welcome back to my channel. Today again we are with a new video for modifiers. Okay, so before that, if you're watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe, and if you find it interesting, please do share it with your friends also. And if you have any doubts regarding this topic, you can put it as a comment. Okay, already we have posted few modifiers in the playlist, so you can go through it, and the continuation of those modifier will be uploaded from now onwards. So today's modifier is modifier 51. Okay, so modifier 51, in the sense, it is a multiple procedure performed on the same session. So for example, different types of procedures performed on the same day during the same session, along with the second procedure code, you will be adding modifier 51 to indicate these are the multiple procedures which are performed in this same session. So I have added few examples as well as a definition for this, and when it will be appropriate to use this modifier and when it should not be used, everything has been given in the PPT, so you can go through it. If you have any doubts, you can put it as a comment also. Okay, that's all about it. It's very simple. Like, if different types of procedures, multiple procedures performed on the same session, then you have to add 51 modifier along with the subsequent procedure. Subsequent procedure means the second procedure code. Assign the first procedure and assign the second procedure. Along with the second procedure, you have to add 51 modifier. And one more thing, you should be very clear here, this modifier 51 will not be used along with the evaluation and management code. That's it. That's all about this modifier. Please don't skip the PPT. Watch it completely, so you will have a clear understanding regarding this topic, as well as you can go through the examples also. Thank you so much for watching my video.